Sa mga nagre-ready for ECE and ECT board exam, sa mga nag-online review, I have here sample review questions for magnetism, and this contains 20 MCQ questions. Number 1, the magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor is in the form of A. Straight lines, B. Elliptical lines, C. Circular lines, D. Parabolic lines. Answer, circular lines. Number 2, the unit of magnetic flux is A. Tesla, B. Weber, C. Henry, D. Coulomb. Answer is Weber. Number 3, 1 Tesla is equal to A. 1 Weber per square meter, B. 1 Weber per meter, C. 1 Weber per cubic meter, or D. 1 Weber per second. Answer is letter A. 1 Weber per square meter. Number 4, the device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy using electromagnetic induction is A. Transformer, B. Motor, C. Generator, and D. Battery. Answer is generator. Number 5, the right-hand rule is used to determine A. Direction of electric current and magnetic field, B. Direction of magnetic field and electric current, C. Direction of electric current and voltage, D. Direction of magnetic field and induced EMF. Answer is direction of magnetic field and induced EMF. Number 6, the magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid is A. 0, B. Inversely proportional to current, C. Uniform, D. Non-uniform. Answer is uniform. Number 7, the direction of magnetic field lines is from A. South to north pole of the magnet, B. North to south pole of the magnet, C. East to west, D. West to east. Answer is north to south pole of the magnet. Number 8, which law states that induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux? A. Ohm's law, B. Ampere's law, C. Faraday's law, and D. Coulomb's law. Answer is Faraday's law. Number 9, Lenz's law is based on the principle of A. Conservation of energy, B. Conservation of charge, C. Conservation of mass, D. Conservation of momentum. Answer is A. Conservation of energy. Number 10, in an electromagnetic wave, the electric field and magnetic field are A. Parallel to each other, B. Perpendicular to each other, C. In phase and in the same direction, D. None of the above. Answer is perpendicular to each other. The SI unit of magnetic field intensity represented by H is A. Tesla, B. Weber, C. Ampere turn per meter, D. Gauss. Answer is ampere per meter. Number 12, magnetic field due to a circular loop carrying current is strongest at A. Center of the loop, B. Edge of the loop, C. Outside of the loop, or D. None of the above. Answer is center of the loop. 13. The magnetic flux through a surface is maximum when the magnetic field is A. Parallel to the surface, B. Tangential to the surface, C. Zero, D. Perpendicular to the surface. The answer is perpendicular to the surface. 14. A changing magnetic field produces A. Static electricity, B. Magnetic monopoles, C. An electric field, or D. No effect. Answer for this is an electric field. 15. A phenomenon of self-induction is present in A. Resistors, B. Capacitors, C. Coils and solenoids, D. None of these. Answer is coils and solenoids. Number 16. The inductance of a coil depends on A. Number of turns, B. Area of coil, C. Magnetic permeability of core, D. All of the above. Answer is letter D. All of the above. 17. The direction of induced EMF is given by A. Fleming's left-hand rule, B. Fleming's right-hand rule, C. Right-hand thumb rule, D. Ampere's rule. Answer is Fleming's right-hand rule. 18. The magnetic field at the center of a long straight current carrying conductor is A. Directly proportional to the distance from the wire, B. Inversely proportional to the distance from the wire, C. Directly proportional to the square of the distance, D. Independent of distance. Answer is letter B. Inversely proportional to the distance from the wire. Number 19. The energy stored in an inductor is given by A. 1/2 CB squared, wherein C is capacitance, B is voltage, B. 1/2 Li squared, wherein L is inductance, I is current, C. 1/2 mb squared, m is mass, v is velocity, or D. 1/2 qv. Q is electron charge, V is voltage. Answer is letter B. For inductor, energy stored is 1/2 Li squared. 20. The energy stored in a capacitor is given by A. 1/2 CB squared, B. 1/2 Li squared, C. 1/2 MB squared, or D. 1/2 QV. And the answer is the energy stored in a capacitor is 1/2 CV squared. This is the end of my sample review questions for magnetism. Good luck sa inyong ECE and ECT review and of course sa inyong board exam. If nagpaplano kayo or interested kayo sa online review for ECT, we are offering ECT online review. Kontakin nyo lang yung aming Facebook page. And also, nag-offer din kami ng ECE online review. Kontakin nyo lang din yung aming Facebook page.